Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dakat Qureshi. I'm a user experience and user interface designer. So in this course we will discuss about the Figma. What is Figma? Figma is simple and online design tool to start using, but there's a lot to learn to use it to its full potential. Figma also have a very good option working closely with teams. So with the basics of shapes, images and text, you can easily get started prototyping a website, designing a mobile application and much more. You can also share files easily with the team members. If you want to take a deeper dive into these basics, I would recommend watching this YouTube channel. I have attached Figma link in the description where you can download Figma for free. So just click the link in the description. So if you are a Windows user, you can use Windows. If you are Mac users, you can use Mac. So it's downloading now. After installation Figma, you can see I have signed up my account in Figma. Its plugins, settings, themes. You can also add accounts. These are the templates you can use for further improvements. So if you want to open a new file, just click on the plus button. If you want whiteboard and diagrams, you can also use plus. If you have if you want from import from gallery, you can just click on the import file. So you can also create new themes. So the best option is I'm using this time is free. You can see over here